What's up, my girls, bros, and non-binary folks? Today we're gonna be playing demonology. I'm gonna be playing demonology once again. I'm saying like the Rockstar Shotgun. Last time I forgot what we did. I think I played with my brother. I honestly do not remember. Perks. Okay. Ooh, challenges. Oof, nah, I ain't doing that. Okay, let's start. Hey, yo, chill! I bet. Yeah, I'm surprised the lights are on. As soon as they go in, I was gonna say they're probably gonna turn off. Yep. Is that rusting? Evidence. Let's see. Withering. Withering means rusting. So, for some reason, I'm starting to think that the ghost room may be the kitchen. Check for ghost orbs. Nothing in there. Nothing in here. So, I presume it's safe to say that there are no ghost orbs. Okay. And for the camera. And you watch. Don't. Okay, thermometer. 19 Celsius. 17. 21. 15. 21. I think I still need to check the background. 21. Okay, so I think this closet in here is the ghost room. Oh. Did that work? Yep, it did. Okay. So, this is the ghost room. Just gonna place down the salt. Okay. Okay. How do I grab the plushie? Okay, laser projector. Oh, I walked through the salt. Okay, let me go get a black light. Oh, footprints! Okay, there's prints. Okay. We can drop this, I think. Oh, the art scanner. Oh my god. Okay. Okay, wait, hold up. Okay, so the books have freezing temps. Kyrus have spirit box evidence. And the Vesper have inscription. Okay. So cross out. Yes. Vesper. Okay. Ghost orb. Ammo hold 5. Okay. So we drop that. Wait, let me turn it on. There we go. So the flower pot. Oh, look. It's an aquarium now. Okay, so. Okay. Okay, I did it with the plushie there. So there is no spirit box. Now we check temperature. Ooh, that scared it. No, that scared me. That scared me. Ooh, I don't like that. Okay, those types. The books can throw corpses. They're stunned when the music box is first played. Vesper. Vespers rely solely on sound to hunt. They can track through walls. So, if I close open it, it should be coming here, right? Oh, that's when there is a hunt. Okay. Is there a music box? Unfortunately, there's not. Okay, hold up. So, based on... Okay, so if it comes here... should be coming here or something. In the kitchen. If it's a Vesper. Okay, it's over. Of course. Can you write in this book? I think that's what it is. Copy. Let's see if that works. It didn't. That usually works. So, wait, rough. I'm saying it's a dip. Oof. No, I did not like that. Where is the ghost, actually? Let's see. Oh, I see it. Oh, please help me. Help me, Mom. Mama. Oh, I walked through wall. It is over. Correction. Okay, wait, hold up. Where's the thermal? There we go. I mean, it's slow, but it's not freezing. You just to make sure that there is rust withering. Let me just put that in there. Now we just wait. No, they withered. Yeah, I'm just saying did it. Mama, help me. I'm scared, Mama. Help me. Is this over? Mama, please help me. Oh, look, the salt canister. Wait, is it over? No, it's not. Wait. Okay, there. Okay, there we go. I didn't even use the holy oil. Or the salt canister. Whatever. The book. Okay, let's see. I swear. What do you mean, Vesper? It didn't react to the sound. And it didn't even write in the book. Man. Next time maybe I'll buy double money. Or maybe double XP. Well, I guess that's it for today. I wasted my money. I'm going broke. Well, have a good day. What is this? Create new? I don't know what this is, but whatever. Bye bye. Have a good day. Wish y'all best luck. Like, subscribe, share this video with your friends. Watch it again. Trying to make revenue from these videos. I need to meet the qualifications. So please subscribe, like, comment, anything. It will really help out. Bye bye.